But temperatures trend down, and then they may trend back up into the 90s as we head toward next week. Because remember, even in late August and in September, we still have 90-degree days. Let's show you what's happening as we head to the borough. Our camera there showing 76 degrees for us for the start of our morning. A warm and muggy start to the day with fair skies over Middle Tennessee and South Central Kentucky. So we still have a good chunk of our area under heat alerts for today. Here you'll note the western part of Kentucky, the western half of Tennessee under a heat advisory. And then you head along the Mississippi. On both sides of the Mississippi, there are extreme heat warnings that extend from the Missouri Boot Hill back over to Reelfoot Lake and then down south of the Jackson area there, Jackson, Mississippi, that is. There is a closer view of the advisories over our region. Right now, they're set to expire this evening for the mid-state and South Central Kentucky. Still looking to get some 90-degree heat tomorrow, but temperatures come down. And actually, the front's moving a little faster, so that may bring temperatures down even a few more degrees tomorrow. Still in the 90s, it looks like, but maybe lower 90s as opposed to the upper 90s. So for today, on our Day Planner Plus, we still have a heat advisory for the Mid-South today with those daytime highs just downright hot. 99 in the city by the lake, Franklin, Tennessee, 99 as well. Franklin, Kentucky, 96. Uptown, 98. Same over in Catfish Country. Head down to Lawrenceburg, 96. Tullahoma, right around 93 for you for a high for today. Now, as we plan this evening, Sound's back in town tonight, so warm, hot at the beginning of the game over at the ballpark. If you're headed to a fair, let's say over in Wilson County, Cumberland County or Fentress County. Hot on the midway for us out there for the early part of the night. Then by 9 o'clock, 82. Does look like most of the region will be dry. There could be a stray shower, a thunder shower. Now, that's stray shower for the mid-state. That's up to, though, 20–30% as you head over to, let's say, Dover, Clarksville, Hopkinsville, back over to Paris. You have a little higher chance at a couple of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. That's because the front is coming through this afternoon and especially tonight. So with the front down to our south for tonight and tomorrow, temperatures not as hot tomorrow afternoon, but on the backside of that front, there's still the chance for a few scattered showers and storms. So by midday tomorrow, upper 80s to low 90s with a high of just 93 or 94 tomorrow afternoon. By the 6 o'clock hour, right around 89 degrees. Meanwhile, an update here on Aaron. Aaron right now with winds at 115 miles per hour. So still a powerful storm system here. There is the projected path there from the National Hurricane Center. There's Bermuda right there. So this is between the U.S. and Bermuda, but still close enough that both areas will still see some strong waves, high surf advisories, and riptide warnings that are out with the projection of that system. So for us today, we're going to look for a high right around 99. Then for tomorrow, 93. Heading into Thursday, right around 90. And then lower 90s for the weekend. Another front on the way. That one taking temps into the 80s for next week.